Hey there, Ryan Phillips here. Welcome to this demo video. So let's dive right in and create a sticky vid. So I'm going to click on create new sticky video and I'm going to name this as the JV video because that's what we're going to create, a sticky video on our JV page. I'm going to hit next. Now for video, I've got no videos saved in my library, so I'm just going to click on open media library. Oh, I tell a lie, we actually do. This is when I was testing this out earlier. So I'm going to click on JV video. If I didn't have this, you can upload from YouTube, Vimeo, or just the normal MP4. And I'm going to hit next. Now here we can choose the templates and the different sticky video banners that we want to have. So at the minute, there's only a couple of templates in here. When we launch, we're going to have several templates for each one of these areas. So we have buy now templates, opt-in templates, countdown templates, and share templates. I'm going to use a buy now one because I want it to be a button. And I'm going to use this one where it's got our text and our button in the center. I'm going to click on create sticky video. And here our sticky video is created. I'm just going to click on view. This is where we edit our sticky video. So you can see this is the actual dashboard where we do edit. And we can have a look at the desktop view, the large tablet view, the small tablet view, and the mobile view. And we can decide whether we want to have the banner or no banner on here as well. I'm going to select banner on for mobile in a second, but let me show you how to edit this. So I'm going to start with desktop. I'm going to click on edit banner, and here I can position this at the top, or as you can see, I can position it at the bottom. I'm going to have it at the top. I'm going to keep the color the same. I'm going to make the border a little bit thicker because I think it'll look better. And the border color, I think it's green and yellow on our JV page. So I'm just going to copy the yellow color down here. So we're going to use this yellow. And it says show banner on. We can choose desktop, large tablet, small tablet, mobile. I'm going to select all of these. I want the banner to show on all of them. If we don't have the banner, it will just create a normal sticky video. But on our tests, having a banner helps increase conversions. So now I'm going to go down to heading. And the heading that I'm going to have, I'll just have it as 10K in JV cash prizes. So I'm going to write here 10K plus in JV cash prizes. Then we can choose to hide this, or we can edit this across all of the different designs. For the subheading, I'll have with no minimums. Perfect. And now I'm going to edit the button. So the button color, I always have a green that I use for all of my buttons just because I like the look of it. So I'm going to head over, I'm going to change this from red to the cool green that I like. And we can change all the different, other elements to do with this. I'm just going to have the page that it goes to as google.com. But what I'm going to change that to after I've done this video is going to be our JV Zoo sign up to get your affiliate link button. And down here, instead of it saying buy now, I'm going to say click here. Oh, now. Instead. Now I'm going to change the size of this. I want it to be a bit wider. I want it to be a bit thicker. And I'm just going to change the padding so that's in the center. And we're going to move it across a little bit right there. Perfect. And that's the JV banner completed. I'm just going to hit save changes for desktop. Now, if I click on preview, I've not selected autoplay, okay, or this would be autoplaying, but you can see here's a little website that has the preview. I'm going to scroll down. And here's our sticky video as we designed it. If I click on click here now, it opens up Google because that's where I put the link to. All right, and that's how you create a sticky video. Now what we can do is we can go and edit this for the large tablet view, the small tablet view, and the mobile view. Okay, so if I just do that real quick, let's say for the large tablet, I'm gonna have everything the same. Let's say that I'm gonna have the text 10K plus in JV cash prizes with no minimums. So I'm just going to click on this over here. I'm going to change this to $10,000 plus in JV cash prizes. Then the subheadline is going to say, with no minimums, we'll have the button to say click, to say click here now. All that looks fine, all of that looks good. Now for the small tablet view, if we have too much text, it's not gonna look right. So for the small tablet, all I'm gonna have is 10K plus in prizes. So I'm gonna click on the headline. I'm gonna have this as 10K plus in prizes. The subheadline, I'm gonna take away. And the button, I'm just gonna have the button to say, let's say JVZoo link. JVZoo link. And then for the mobile view, I'm not going to have the headline. I'm not going to have the subheadline. I'm going to hide that. I'm just going to have the button. And the button can say, let's just say, get link. Or in fact, I could have a headline and we'll just say works on mobile too. So I'll say works on mobile too, and I'm just gonna take hide off here so we can see the different views, and you can edit this to make it look pretty, to make it look nice, and then all we do after we preview this, as I just showed you guys, so we can see here, this is what the sticky video is going to look like. If I just click on publish, as soon as it's published, it's saved, and this is where we put the code in our website right here. This is our embed code. Okay, now for settings, I'm just going to select this as autoplay because I want it to autoplay when people go onto our JV page. And this is where we have it. We're just going to copy and paste this onto the JV page, and then our sticky video will be live. And as I said, I used this on our last launch, our Vid Central launch, and in a direct split test, we sent over 2,000 clicks to this split test, split testing a sticky video. We actually had the countdown timer and a headline and a button on the sticky video for our sales page against the page with no sticky video. That was the only test that we did, and the page with the sticky video converted a ton higher. It was a landslide victory. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this demo. Be sure to sign up on the JVZoo list. We've got over $10,000 in JV cash prizes that you can win, and I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard.